Hey, good day everybody. We're here. We're going to cut out a Bigfoot today. And this is a 16 gauge plate that we're going to use. All right, we've got patterns cut out here for the Bigfoot. And we're just going to, they're cardboard cutouts. We're just doing an outline of it. And we're going to show how we cut all this out. So we take and lay it out in the most efficient way possible to try to use the max amount of metal without wasting, and then using some of this stuff too for smaller cutouts as well. So trying to have nothing go to waste. Okay, we've got everything traced out here. Okay, now he's going to cut these out with the plasma cutter. Using a Thermodynamics Cutmaster 51 here.
Filter so that it's dry, and I have it set at 30 amps, 35 amps, okay, which is awesome. Gonna let me go pretty quick.
Awesome.
It's good to get kind of fluid with your motion before you start cutting.
Okay.
Those holes are because it's going to be behind the main body, and it gives me a plug weld to attach it.
Okay. These sawhorses that he made. Yeah, I'll figure out before he's done and talk about that. Built these sawhorses specifically with these as wasters. That way when you cut through it, it doesn't cut through the sawhorse, cut through this. And when these go bad, no longer good, you can just replace that, weld a new one on there. Great idea. So we're just going to clean it up with a grinder then,
yeah.
And then make sure we get. How can we want to get rid of that paint? Because it does. If we don't get rid of that paint,
if you don't get rid of the paint, it doesn't rust where the paint is.
Okay, gotcha. So got the pieces all cut out here. So now what?
Now we have to clean them up.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll take any rough areas that.
Any spot where I digged and put a dad, that is smooth as I like just touch it up really quick. On the back side, there's flag. It will take it off. Or if I do it. Now that we have all of the edges cleaned and it's all tacked together, we're going to reinforce it with rebar, and we're going to set it up so that the top half slides off and it's easier to take to where it's going to go and put in place. So we're going to put rebar on it, weld it in place, some sleeves with some rebar that slides into the sleeves, and a foundation to stick it into the ground, and or cement to keep it stable and upright.
All right, we're getting ready to tack this thing together.
This is a really old welder.
Okay, gotcha.
Because it's been around for a long time and I'm an old grandpa.
We're using, we got this Millermatic 175 here, and then using some gas here as well.
Over here. Tack about every 4 inches, just a small 1/2 inch tack, whatever,
Gotcha.
just to hold it.
Okay. Tack the sleeves on now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So because when you weld on the rebar, it sometimes melts through a little bit. Before I rust it, I just touch it up with the grinder just to make sure there are no bumps or whatever. I'm putting on safety glasses first because I'm not stupid.
This one's done, and we're
Ready to rust.
Awesome. All right, what are we dipping this thing into?
A gallon of muriatic acid and about 10 gallons of water.
And this allows it speeds
To rust
up.
faster.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
How long do you leave it in here for? Just dip it and pull it out?
I leave it in here, and because the big one doesn't fit, I flip it
Make them
so
both
that
fit
the
in
other,
there. Okay,
yeah.
so leave it in here for about a day then. Gotcha. And then how long do you let it, then that starts the rusting process, and then
Then I throw it in the yard on the grass,
gotcha.
and the grass makes fun patterns on it.
Okay. Well, this one's a 6-foot Bigfoot. The other one was made to be able to come apart. So this is the same type of thing. The other one's 7 feet. This is a 6-foot, pretty big too. You can see the foundation, so you can just step on there and knock it into the ground. Some support there. Kind of see that. Both sides. sticking.